Hi friends, this is Srinath. Today I am going to unbox Moto G10 Power, which is I can say the best mobile in 10,000 range, which is having 6000 mAh battery and as well as 48 MP quad cam setup and 6.5 inch HD plus display. So let me quickly open it and show you. So as you can see here, so on the box they have just highlighted the battery and cam, and it's a 464 GB version, that's it. So they are just highlighting these features, so they are not given any other specifications kind of thing here. And in the side they have just provided a MRP and this variant and this color breeze blue which I ordered. So let me open it and show you. And as I can say, whatever the mobiles available in the market, so this is the best one in 10,000. So 48 MP cam setup, and here we have a dedicated Google Assistant button which can be used for multiple purposes, and 20 watts fast charge which is very useful for the 6000 mAh battery. And we don't have any other extra ports kind of thing, the basic headphone jack and speakers, type C charging, that's it. So Moto didn't provide a noise cancellation for this thing, but as we can see it in the Flipkart it is there, but in the real time it's not given by Motorola. I don't know why. They have just provided some basic documentation and charger which is of 20 watts fast charging. So this will very helpful because 6000 mAh battery charging means it will take lots of time, but if you use this one it will be very easier. And to support the fast charge, Moto is providing the type C cable as you can see here, and this charger cable and mobile all build quality are superb as every time. And there is now pouch kind of thing here, just SIM ejector tool they have provided, but Moto should have provided the at least silicone case, because for Moto G30 which is of 11,000, so they are providing the case, but they didn't provide it for this one. Why I don't know, but they should have provided. So now coming to mobile, I'll turn on it and I'll show you the UI and the Android kind of thing. So before that, let me remove the screen guard. The display is 6.51 inch, so which is quite good. So we can easily hold it and we can operate. And Moto it designed it for use it in a single hand, like all the camera features and all they are providing at a single place. And the camera setup is also looking quite good, friends. And the texture on the back panel, that's also simply superb. So the button which we have, so it is not Google Assistant button. So Google Assistant button is nothing but a normal button is there. So let me fast forward this one, the complete setup, because it will take a lot of time. So friends, if you want to order this one, you can order it from Flipkart within this week, because now we are getting a 10% discount with HDFC credit card. So this whole mobile you can get along with, including the discount, you will get it by 9,000. So that's the best thing which I can say. And it is coming with a Android 11, so which is a latest version as of now. So very limited phones in 10,000 range have this one. As you can see it here, it's a Oreo. So UI is very cool and the transition is also good. So let me show you one more thing, the SIM tray which is provided here. So it is not a dedicated, it's just a hybrid slot. We can't use two SIMs or memory card together. We have to compromise any one, but the quality is good and here it is holding quickly. So thank you friends, signing off. Like, subscribe, share, don't forget. Bye.